input programming for BONDERITE Eco ST4. We now show you how to program the BONDERITE Eco ST4 inputs. Let's suppose that we have the pH measuring in the first channel. We need to switch off. Press simultaneously the up and the down arrow. Switch on the system till service active appears. Then release the two arrows. In service 1, set value 1. If you need to modify the value, press menu OK. Modify the value using the up and down arrows. Confirm with menu OK. Press the up arrow. 2 will appear in service 2. Press the up arrow. 1 will appear in service 3. Press the up arrow. 0 will appear in service 4. Press the up arrow. 1400 will appear in service 5.